Hello student, today we will talk about our chapter 14, that is basic geometrical concept. So our chapter name is basic geometrical concept and we will talk about the topic geometry. What is geometry? Definition of geometry, then point, after it line segment, properties of line segment and ray. So basically in this chapter we will talk about line, ray, line segment, point. So first we will talk about the definition of geometry. Many times we have heard the word geometry. So Geometry is the English equivalent of the Greek word geometron. Geo means earth and metron means measurement. Thus the literal meaning of geometry is measurement of earth. In geometry, we study the position, shape, size and properties of different figures. Different figure like square, rectangle, circle, cuboid, triangle, trapezium. So these all are the figures in that we will talk about later. So here we see the definition. Geometry is the English equivalent of the Greek word geometron. That is, geometry is the English equivalent of the Greek word. Greek word geometry is basically Greek word, and geo and metron. Geometron, Greek word geometron, and here geo means earth and metron means measurement. Thus the literal meaning of geometry is measurement of earth. In geometry, we study the position, shape, size and properties of different figures. So, different figures like triangle, square, rectangle, cube, cuboid, and many more figures we will talk later. So here we have discussed about the definition of geometry. So here we will all learn about some basic concept and terms such as point, line, etc. Thus these form the foundation of geometry. Means points, line, ray, line segment, these all are the foundation of geometry. These all are the foundation of geometry. So first we will talk about point, then line segment, after it point of line segment, then ray. So we will talk about point. So point. Many times you have here point. Draw a point. Draw a point P. Draw a point Q. You have here. So what is a point? Point P. Here point P. Here point Q. Point R. Point S. Point T. So these all are the points. P is a point. Q is a point. R is a point. S is a point. T is a point. How we represent the point? Like that. We just simply draw it a point. This and this is a point, and we name it as a, suppose it is A. So this is a point A, and how we represent it? How we write it? We write it as a point A, and here point A, and when we have to write, we write it as a point A. Point A, P, point P, point Q, point R, point S, point T. So these all are the points. So for now we will talk about the definition of point. Definition of point. Point is a mark of position. Point is a point is a mark of position. It has no breadth, no length, and no thickness. Point is a mark of position. It has no breadth, no length, and no thickness. Point. A point is a mark of position. It has no breadth, no length, and no thickness. So here, as I have tell you that this is point A. We can say that point A. And point B, suppose that point D. So here all are the point. We just when someone will say to you that draw a point. So you just draw like that. Okay, point A, point B, or point D. If someone says that you draw a point S, then you will write it. You will draw as point S. So here is the point S. Here is the point S. So this is the definition of a point, and here how we represent it. We represent it as a point A, and we write it as a point A, point A, point B, point D. This is point S. So point A, when we have to draw, we will draw it as a point A. When we have to represent, we will represent it as a point A. And how we read it? How we read it? Point A, point B, point D, point S. Now come to our next topic. Line segment. Line segment. We will now talk about line segment. Line segment. Suppose this is a paper. This is a paper of your notebook. So if we fold it half, if we equally fold it, okay, from the between, so we just fold it. When we fold it, we get a crease. Where we get a crease? You see, here we get a crease. Here we get a crease. here we get a crease. When we fold this paper like this, we get a crease here. Okay, so just I explain here more. Suppose that is our paper. When we fold it from middle, suppose that here we get a crease. Okay, here we get a crease. So these crease we represent here point A and here point B. Here point A and here point B. So that is our paper. When we fold it, and here we got the crease. So that is crease A and B. So suppose we have to draw a line segment. Then many routes are there to draw a line segment AB. So if we draw like this, if we follow this route, there is a point P. This route, from this A route route APB. Here we take another route ACB. Here we route ACB. And the third one, the least distance we travel. The least distance we travel is AB. Here we write AB. Route AB. So route AB is the least distance. Here you have just traveled like this. So your route, here the length is greater. When you have to just draw a simple line through point AB. You have covered the path A to B to P, then B, and here A to C, then you have reached P, and the shortest length, the minimum length you have covered by this line, by this phase, from A to B. So here APB is a route, ACB is a route, but when AB, we will write it AB. Here is a AB and here is a bar. On AB, it is a bar. When we write it like as, it is a line segment. It is a line segment AB. It is a line segment AB. Here, how we represent line segment? We will represent line segment AB as this way. This is the representation of line segment AB. So this is the representation of line segment AB. We will now talk about the definition of line segment. We will talk about the definition of line segment. Line segment. The shortest route, as I have drawn the figure, in which you have seen that A to B, here we have drawn we have go through this. Here was the point P and here was the point, let us say C, and this is the, so the shortest route, the shortest route from A to B, the shortest route from A to B is called the line segment, is called the line segment. The shortest route from A to B is called the line segment. The shortest route from A to B is called the line segment, and it is denoted by AB bar. We read it as a AB bar, and here is the representation of line segment AB, or we represent it as a BA. Both are the same. Both are the same. We can say that AB or BA. Both are the same. Both are the same. So in this we have talked about geometry, definition of geometry, point, line, segment, and later we will talk about properties of line segment ring. Thank you.